Multiply 75 by 26 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Put 0 in this column and carry 3. 6 times 7 plus the carried 3 is 45. The first partial product is 450. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 5 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 7 plus the carried 1 is 15. The second partial product is 1,500. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the hundreds column, 4 plus 5 is 9. In the thousands column, bring down 1. The whole negative number product is 1950. So 75 times 26 is 1950.